So this past week, GameStop has been one of the hottest traded stocks, and it's not because GameStop posted some record numbers or some crazy news has happened. It's because the internet is attacking Wall Street. So let me give you a little update on what's been happening and what could happen next. What's up, everyone? It's John here with Currency.com. And since GameStop is listed on Currency.com, and also there's been quite a bit of talk about it this week, I thought I'd do a quick video, give you guys a little update on what's been happening, and also how you can trade it on Currency.com without having to worry about any issues of it being disabled or anything like that, like some of the other brokers are doing. And before we get more into the details of what's been happening, as usual, if you do enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, do so by clicking that subscribe button and showing your support. And just so you guys know, GameStop is available to trade on Currency.com. You can either buy it or long or short it or sell. You can use your crypto as collateral, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or fiat such as the euro and the US dollar. And it's pretty much the exact same trading terms as the cryptos on here, except it's not available 24/7 and only during market hours. So if you guys don't want to deal with all the stuff that's been happening this week with brokers shutting it down, not letting anyone trade, then Currency.com fixes this, because Currency is a next generation exchange that uses tokenized shares of the stock, and it matches up to the price of the real-time stock. And let's have a quick look here at the trader sentiment on Currency.com for GameStop. It shows right now the price is leaning towards the lows of the day, coming off around that $500 level, with 72% buyers, 28% sellers. And here's a little bit of detail down here about why trade tokenized GameStop shares with Currency.com. All the benefits here. Uses blockchain ERC20 tokens that track and moves according to the underlying instrument price. Overall, it's a better place to trade stocks because you don't have to worry about trading halts. Also, withdrawals, you can withdraw in real time using crypto. And even on Currency.com, you can withdraw the tokens and hold them in your ERC20 wallet. All right, so moving on to the story behind this crazy price action for GameStop. And I do actively trade GameStop myself, so I was kind of noticing quite a bit of change in the price. Not even this month. It started probably in the end of 2020 in about September. There was quite a bit of short squeezes happening. I zoom in back here to September, you can see that's right when the price went above that 200-day moving average. And myself, that's when I noticed the price started breaking out and going on a nice trend. But I was not expecting it to go up as high as $500. So here's the story a little bit right here in 4 charts. So here's the first thing here that happened. A chaotic trading forum on Reddit has grown steadily to about 2.5 million members over the years. It's called Wall Street Bets. And then number 2, institutional investors have been betting against GameStop. So over the years, hedge funds have been shorting GameStop, betting that the stock is going to continue going down for an extended period of time. And then what happened was a short squeeze. So that means a lot of money was bet against GameStop going down versus going up. So then number 3, users on Reddit then began to rally. And then as more and more people got in, it made quite a bit of buy pressure for GameStop stock. And on January 25th, 44% of the stocks that were mentioned online were all for GameStop. There's even record numbers of trading volume, investors all across social media talking about buying it. And then number 4 happened as GameStop's investors started to rise and rise. The hedge funds that were shorting the stock then have to cover their short positions and they have to buy, which created a huge domino effect and made GameStop explode past $100, $200, $300, $400, way up to $500 in just a week. This is probably a historical moment. Things like this never happen in the stock markets, but things are changing now. People have so much access to the markets now, straight from their phone. They can buy stocks, invest in the same companies that all these hedge funds are also investing in. And also one of the biggest brokers in the US, Robinhood, said that there's so much volume going into GameStop and they weren't able to cover it. So then they made a tweet here restricting transactions for GameStop and also including AMC, which was the next one to have a similar run to GameStop. And they switched positions to closing only, meaning that no one was able to buy and only people were allowed to sell to get out of the positions. This started a huge thing across social media, even across the news, of investors trying to buy, saying that it's a free market and brokers shouldn't decide if the people should trade or not. And if you are watching this video, then you most likely have seen quite a bit of news over the net regarding the issue that's happening. People trying to find different platforms to use to trade, because in reality, it shouldn't be up to the broker to decide what people can invest in. And it did seem like they were favoring the hedge funds and protecting them from getting billions of dollars liquidated. And one of the main hedge funds that was shorting GameStop is called Melvin Capital. And it is said that they lost over $1 billion to this GameStop run. Here's a little bit of the rundown on Wikipedia on what's called now the GameStop short squeeze. So in January 2021, a short squeeze of GameStop stock and other securities took place on various stock exchanges. The short squeeze increased the stock price of GameStop by almost 190 times from its record lows, which hit a high of nearly $500 per share on January 28, 2021. And then also on January 28th, Robinhood, as I mentioned earlier, halted the buying of GameStop and other securities, which attracted criticism of market manipulation. And some people did make their comments, such as Senator Ted Cruz and also Elon Musk. And it looks like now people are looking for different platforms to use, and crypto exchanges are looking like that will be the bet. And the good thing is Currency.com already has stocks ready to go on there. But now let's talk about GameStop's price action. And technical analysis is not really valid in situations like this, where news and emotions drive the price, because anything can happen at any moment. But if you are following the price actions and trying to do some technical analysis, right now we have had a few days in this price range. You can see we have our high here. That's now our resistance at about $500. And then we also have the support down here. So now there is quite a big trading range for GameStop. But what you can expect and what I see happening is we are leaning towards the lower part of the range. So I'd expect at least one more test to the highs if this whole run is over, before GameStop then goes into a long-term correction. But if this is just the beginning of these short squeeze trends, and I think volatility will continue, GameStop will even possibly break 500 and other stocks will start joining the trend. And let's quickly look at the indicators right now. The 4-hour RSI for GameStop is going into that 50 range, indicating that there is too much sell pressure, which is good because right now it is going right to a support. And Williams percent range is indicating that the price is trading below range. So that means there is in fact still some upside potential. But that's all I got to cover for GameStop for now. Don't forget, leave your comments below. Let me know what your prediction is for GameStop. If it does continue upwards, where do you think it'll stop at? 500, 1,000, 2,000? Let me know below. The year 2021 is just getting started, so this is not the end of volatility in the markets. So that's all I got for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to show your support and hit that like button. And also, good luck with your trading. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.